Our next area of concern is on human rights. The bill lacks privacy and civil liberty protections. By failing to do so, this bill empowers the Fiji police force to carry out acts that can encroach on the preservation of human rights and democracy. This poses a real danger to the spirit of democracy, human rights, and the rule of law for our nation. Our first issue is on Section 87 to 91, access to digital devices. We acknowledge that digital evidence has become an important component of modern criminal investigations. However, Section 87 to 91 raises significant human rights concerns because they grant police broad powers to compel access to digital devices, passwords, information, and technical assistance, with non-compliance constituting a criminal offense. These provisions contradict important rights protected under the ICCPR, including the right to privacy under Article 17. Combined with a broad definition of specified person under Section 87, these powers can extend beyond suspects and allow significant intrusions into the personal privacy of citizens. Digital devices contain extensive personal information, including communications, financial records, medical information, family photographs, and confidential correspondence. Without significant safeguards, these powers create a risk of interference with privacy rights and enables the potential abuse of private data, and it also undermines freedom of speech and association. Knowing that the police can access your digital devices and read through private messages, and such histories can act as a barrier for citizens not to express controversial thoughts or critical thinking. This can cause citizens to avoid being affiliated with certain groups of people or attend protests which they know attracts police scrutiny and monitoring, especially in honor of bilateral relationships with other countries. We recommend that the bill include stronger judicial oversight by ensuring that the Fiji Police Force must establish a clear nexus between the specific device, the crime under investigation, and the specified person. The application must also show cause on all other non-invasive efforts that have been employed, and that an application for digital device access is the last resort. A warrant must be narrowly tailored to only search for specific relevant data in order to avoid exploratory fishing expeditions. There should also be clearer limitations on the use of required information, duration for the digital device access, protection of data and its use, and safeguards. These would assist in balancing legitimate law enforcement objectives with the protection of fundamental rights.